welcome back to my channel. Today is episode number 2 of the How to Host Thanksgiving series that I'm doing. If you missed last week's video with the tasks that need to be done before this video, I will link it below and up above, and be sure to go check that out so you don't miss anything. In today's video, we are going to cover everything that happens. This is probably one of the busiest weeks planning for Thanksgiving. So you've already gotten your invites out, hopefully you've gotten your RSVPs by now, and you have planned your tablescape. And today we are going to start with menu planning. So if you already have your guest list, you might already know who wants to bring a dish, who doesn't want to bring a dish, and who you feel like asking to bring a dish. So in this week's plan is to start your menu. I have a friend who is, I'm hosting the party, but she's kind of going to co-host, so she's going to bring a side and probably all of the dessert, it sounds like. And so I will be in charge of everything else. But maybe you want to do it all. You want to do the turkey or whatever your main meat's going to be, and you want to do all the sides and the dessert and everything by yourself. So now is the time to plan that. After you have planned it, then you're going to write your grocery list. I recommend going this week. Next week is going to be quite insane at the grocery store. So there may be a few things you have to run into, like fresh produce that you have to run into the store for next week, but I highly recommend you get most of your grocery shopping done this week. I know I'm going to get almost all of my grocery shopping done this week. Also, a tip, if you are going to order a fresh turkey from somewhere, I believe most of the places, at least in my area, require that it is done before the 16th, which would be this coming Friday. So I've got about maybe 4 or 5 days if I wanted to order a fresh turkey. I am not ordering a fresh turkey. I'm just going to buy one at the store. Also shop around, look at the different flyers, because some of the stores sell their turkeys for up to 20 cents more per pound. So shop around and see if you can get a good deal. Right now I think I've found one that I'm going to go with for 38 cents a pound. You do have to spend at least $25 in the store, but that's not a big deal. I will be spending way more than that. So we have assigned dishes. If we're going to assign dishes, we have come up with a menu plan and a grocery list. The next thing we are going to do is check our supplies. So usually the host, which would be you, I'm assuming, if you're watching this, is going to have the main meat dish. Whether it's ham or turkey or beef or whatever it is that you plan on doing for Thanksgiving. I will be doing a turkey. I am extremely big on traditional foods. That's what I have had every year since I have been a little child. We always have turkey. So I am going to be making the turkey. And sometimes that's all the host does, and then everyone else just brings a side. But I will be doing several sides and the turkey. So some of the things that I know I'm going to need, at least just for the turkey, is a roasting pan. I'm going to want a baster. I'm going to want a thermometer. And I'm going to want a platter to serve it on. Oh, and I'm going to also want to make sure I have a carving knife. So even if you've hosted something before, I highly recommend going through and checking your supplies, because sometimes, like for me, I don't know why, but normally I host Christmas Eve. Every Christmas Eve, I go to get my thermometer and it is broken. Like literally, not just like the battery's dead, but literally it is broken, like in pieces. So I do know I need to go get a thermometer. I have a baster, I have a roasting pan, I have a serving dish, platter, and I have a carving knife. But those are the main things you're going to need if you are hosting, because usually you're going to be serving the main meat. Other things you want to check for are, if you're doing dessert, you want to make sure you have a pie plate. You want to make sure you have bowls for your side dishes and serving spoons. So those are the kind of things that I'm going to do this week. Just check my supplies, get my menu done, and if I'm assigning any dishes, get those dishes assigned. So you have 3 things to do this week, and I hope that you can get them all done this week, just like I will. I'm thinking I might do kind of like a vlog style sometime in the middle of the week to show you everything I've actually done. I don't know, we'll see. But hopefully this was helpful for you guys. Again, please give this video a thumbs up if you did like it. Let me know in the comments below, are you hosting Thanksgiving or Christmas? And if so, do you have any tips that maybe I missed that you would like to add? Please do so in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you guys next time.